turn this off. Don't want to get copyrighted. Hey guys, welcome back to Random Vlog episode, I don't know, because I forgot. We are going thrifting today. We actually just came out of one of the thrift stores. You probably can't see it. And I got one shirt, and we're about to head off to our second thrift store that we have in the town I live in. So yeah, let's see what goodies we can... Are you mocking me? Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, let's see what goodies we can find there. Alright you guys, we just got to our second thrift store, so hopefully we'll find some goodies in here. We'll see. The thing I like about this thrift store is that they have fitting rooms. The other one that we just left did not, so we couldn't try on anything, which sucks. So guys, we're leaving the thrift store. I bought something else down in the DIY and showing the vlog. Even if it fails, I'm gonna still show it. In this car beside me, there's a black lab, and that's like a dog I really want. It's 96 degrees outside, according to my car. And they have the windows down for the dog, but like, I feel like that's not enough. Like, it's still hot. And they're probably in the thrift store, like, thrifting. Like, what in the world? He's, like, in there panting, which means he's probably, like, sweating, which sucks. So, yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Hey guys, we got our slushies. I got cherry Fanta and pina colada. What'd you get me? Pina colada is like really good. Okay you guys, so I'm about to start the DIY. Sorry for this angle, I tried my best. I have our scissors, tweezers, and the jeans that I bought from the thrift store. And I got them for $3.98. So this is the first DIY that we're going to be doing today. Guys, basically what I will be doing is I will be cutting a little bit of the bottom off of the leg, and I will be pulling all the dark blue strands out to get kind of that white look out. Alright you guys, so hold on, let me fix the lighting. I've been working on my pants for about an hour. I watched a lot of videos about de-stressing stuff, and not even a lot. I watched maybe like 3 or 4, and a lot of people talked about how it takes them about 3 to 4 hours to distress something, and honestly, sorry, I just changed the lighting, but honestly, it's taken me an hour, and I'm almost done. I just have this little section right here to do, and then I'm done. And sorry for the really crappy angle, but again, all I do is I just take the area that I'm about to like distress. So for me, it's about to be this strip, and I just start going at it. Like, I just start pulling strings to my liking, and yeah, it just gives me that distressed look that I'm looking for. So hold on, I'm going to do it for like about a minute, and I'm going to show you what 1 minute does. Alright, so I've been doing this for about a minute, and yeah, this is how it looks after about 1 minute. 3 to 4 hours for this DIY is just not practical in my book. When I've done this for about a minute, and this is how it looks. guys, it's Editing Milla, and I realized I forgot to end the vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the post notification bell if you want to be notified every single time I post a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.